उस समय हमारा प्रोडक्शन 80,000 मीटर था और आज हम उसको 3.5 लाख मीटर पर डे पे ले गए।
The monthly saving of up to 1.8 lakhs.
एरेशन टैंक में जो हमारे 55 किलोवाट के 2 ट्राइलोब एयर ब्लो थे उसको हमने एटलस कॉपको से रिप्लेस किया है एनर्जी एफिशिएंट 75 किलोवाट से, और इसके रिप्लेस करने से हमें 600 यूनिट पर डे की बचत हमें मिली। इन टर्म्स ऑफ रुपीज जाएंगे तो 1,25,000 रुपए का सेविंग हमें मिला, और साथ ही हमारा ऑपरेशन मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट भी कम हुआ। इसी अनुभव को रखते हुए हमने एक्सपांशन प्रोजेक्ट के लिए एटलस कॉपको से 290 किलोवाट की स्क्रू फ्लोर और हमने परचेज की।
Thanks to Atlas Copco Force oil-cooled lubrication system, which ensures the blower runs at even 47-degree high ambient temperature, and it not only runs at 1.1 bar, at the same time it is saving energy for the customer. And you know, Sona Process has recovered their investment just within 2 years.
Atlas Copco screw blowers offers a capacity to replace outdated technology, reducing the number of required units while providing a wider operating range. Experience unparalleled efficiency and reliable performance tailored to your environmental needs.
Along with power saving, there are intangible benefits which ensures blower performance and uptime, like skid-mounted machine, less footprint, low noise level, and direct drive technology. This ensures Sona Process performance and DO level up to the mark. We thank you Sona Process and team to giving us an opportunity to do business and partnering with us. I would like also thank our authorized NB mercantile dealer who is handling this Bhilwara region for textile application and developing business for low pressure products.
Upgrade to Atlas Copco innovative solution for a greener future.